Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make easy cookies using just butter, flour, sugar and eggs. No mixer, no rolling pin, no health food gimmicks. These are classic cookies, super simple, delicious and made with everyday ingredients your gut and skin will thank you for. So let's take a look at what you'll need so that you can recreate them at home. So first up you need 70 grams of unsalted soft butter. Then 60 grams of fine sugar, this can be beet or cane, 1 medium free-range egg, which is about a 53 to 58 without the shell, then about 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 grams of baking powder, and then we need some salt. I recommend going with about 0.8 grams of fine rock salt and avoid sea salt because of potential microplastics contamination. If you want to add some additional flavor to the recipe, you can go with 2 grams of vanillin sugar or 0.1 grams of vanillin powder. And this entire recipe makes about 13 thin cookies, each one around 7 centimeters wide and half a centimeter thick. Remember to take out your ingredients 30 to 60 minutes in advance so that they can come to room temperature. This makes everything easier to mix and helps the dough come together more smoothly. And go ahead and preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius top and bottom heat or 155 degrees Celsius using fan so that it's ready when you are. Alright, let's move on to the first step. Let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. Combine the flour, baking powder and salt in a bowl. Just use a whisk or spoon, no need for a sifter here. And once combined, set the bowl aside, we'll come back to it in a moment. Next, grab a clean bowl. Glass or ceramic works best because it is non-reactive and won't leach any harmful substances like some metals or plastics can. Then, add the softened butter and sugar to the bowl. If you're using vanillin sugar or vanillin powder, now it's time to mix that in too. Use a whisk to combine everything until it's smooth and creamy. I'm using a silicone coated one. It's gentle on bowls and a great non-toxic option. Now, crack in 1 medium egg and whisk it into the butter mixture. You'll want to mix until everything is fully blended and slightly fluffy. It should look smooth and glossy. If it starts to flake or separate, just put it into the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. The gentle heat will help bring it back to a smooth consistency. And then give it another quick mix and voila, that's it. Time to bring it all together. Slowly add the dry ingredients into the butter mixture. Start with a whisk and as the dough thickens, switch to a spoon to finish mixing. Once everything comes together, be careful not to overmix. Just stir until you have a soft, even dough. Now for the fun part, shaping the cookies. Add a bit of flour into your hands. Then take small portions of dough directly with your hands and roll them into balls. Then you've got a couple of options. You can place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Or, my personal favorite, use a buttered and floured ceramic pan. Ceramic is a healthier option since there's no risk of anything leaching from metal trays or parchment paper. And it gives the cookies a beautifully golden bottom. To finish, gently flatten each ball with your fingers. If the dough is a bit sticky, just dust your fingers with a little flour again. Now it's time to pop them into your preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 14 minutes, or until the edges are just starting to turn golden. And that's it! Easy, delicious cookies made with just a few everyday ingredients. No mixer, no rolling pin, no extras, just real baking, simple ingredients and real food. And if you're into real and simple foods without shady trends or ultra processed swaps, be sure to like and subscribe, there's so much more to come. After all, what you put into your body shows up on your skin, and real ingredients always win. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.